Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Clinic Homeo. This is third part of the series. Today we will see how to diagnose a case of weakness with fatigue. So a 30-year-old male patient came with complaint of generalized weakness since 1 month. There is no history of fever, cough and no other disease but the feeling of tiredness. As it is a middle-aged person complaining of fatigue, first rule out diabetes. We will ask patient, is he often feel thirsty? Is he having frequent urination, especially at night? This will help us to rule out diabetes. The next cause that come in our mind, is he having anemia? For that, we will ask patient, how is the appetite? Look for the conjunctiva sclera of the patient to see if there is any pallor or icterus and rule out anemia. Next, we will be asking patient, is he addicted to gutka, tobacco, alcohol, etc. Let us consider it can be a case of TB which may sometimes present with only weakness. So we will ask patient questions accordingly, like, do you feel breathless on walking? Do you have cough, low-grade fever or sweating? And we will auscultate chest carefully for respiratory sounds and heart for murmurs. Now let's palpate abdomen to see for liver, spleen and presence of any epigastric lumps. This is important to rule out CS stomach and liver in elderly patients. Sometimes patient is having sexual weakness but he feels shy to express it. So he present it as a general weakness. For that we have to ask patient directly, is he having sexual weakness and is there any history of venereal disease to rule out HIV. Now, we will look for presence of myxoedema. It present with symptoms such as bradycardia, hoarseness of voice, delayed relaxation of reflexes.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.